Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com and it's Dyno Day. We have a really simple one for you today, and the car we are dynoing is a 2000 Performance Red Mustang GT that does belong to Nathan Anderson. Nathan is one of our longtime employees. At the time of this video, he's had the car a little while now. The only thing he has done to it is install a set of SVE 2000 Cobra R-style wheels that are 18 by 9.5 inches. Other than that, getting the car on the dyno, we did notice that it does have a dormant intake manifold. Now, there's nothing wrong with the dormant intake. It serves as a valid option for those of you that don't want to dish out the money for the Ford racing intake. But what we have found in our testing with other 4.6 liter 2-valve Mustang is that the dormant intake doesn't make as much power. So I'm just going to go ahead and clear the air on that. But in stock form, these cars did make 260 horsepower and 302 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. Like I said, other than the dormant intake and the 2000 Cobra R-style wheels, this car is all stock. So stock manifolds, throttle body, plenum, catalytic converter, catback, you name it. It is an automatic car, 4R70W, so technically the 1-to-1 ratio would be third gear, but it's hard to get the car to hold third gear just because of it wants to downshift. So we're just gonna make the pull in second gear. The numbers won't be as true if the transmission wasn't in 1-to-1 ratio, but hey, that's okay. Still give you something to go off of. The other stock characteristics of the car be a steel drive shaft and a set of 327 rear gears. Also, I forgot to mention, Nathan does run 93 octane fuel in his Performance Red GT. We'll go ahead and make a quick trip around the car, and we're gonna make a hit. All right, people, let's go ahead and check out some numbers. I'll be honest, I love these cars, but stock automatic 2-valves are fairly uneventful. Nathan Anderson's Performance Red GT made 199.6 horsepower at 4,700 RPM and 225 pound-feet of torque at 4,700 RPM. So now that Nathan knows there's an aftermarket intake manifold on the car, he is gonna switch that out in favor of the Ford racing intake. As always, hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're gonna sign off for the day. Y'all know what to do for all things 79 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.